this field is not for me, I cannot understand anything, I give up.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack.
Hello traders, welcome back to another kind of video. Actually, a video like this was supposed to be uploaded on the channel about 2 months ago after our summer vacation. But I don't know why I always hesitate to talk about my results in trading and my trading journey in general. And don't get me wrong, for me it's not difficult to discuss about blown accounts, losing streaks or bad trading behavior. For me, it's actually much more difficult to open myself and to discuss about how much my life has changed in the last 4 years since I started trading. Currently, I am a 6 figures funded trader. For those who have seen our previous videos, you know about my profit splits, about the prop firms I trade with, but today's video is not about that, but about my trading journey. Also, by this means, I wanted to show you our new family member, Oscar, who learns from Divergence the best practices of being a cat trader. So, my story, a young engineer which somehow knew that had maybe potential to be more than a person stuck in a boring office where all the people hate each other. I will not make a generalization of all the offices and workplaces now, but at least in the places where I worked, I was always surrounded by toxic people. So although I earned quite a good amount of money for an early career, I was always looking to do something else, something that gives me a balance between my financial and the personal side. Trading appeared in my life almost 4 years ago because Alex, and actually I didn't give up for the same reason. I don't remember exactly how we ended up opening our first accounts with a random broker, as at the moment neither of us had ever traded before, but for some reason he had this initiative to understand what trading means. In the first months we watched dozens of videos on YouTube, started to trade some small personal accounts, and after a while, of course, we lost our accounts. And I said that this field is not for me, I cannot understand anything, I give up. However, the fact that throughout the learning process I had the unconditional support of Alex is actually one of the big reasons why I trade today, and now you see this video. In terms of learning to trade, it was very helpful for me to be in a trading community for a few months, because this actually helped me to define some kind of a trading plan, to understand what is risk management, and to understand in general what trading means, more deeply than the superficial images I was used to see on YouTube, where traders throw money here and there just by selling or buying some gold, and that's it. Currently, I am no longer part of that community. I defined a strategy by myself, but the foundations that this course formed for me were essential for my entire trading career for sure. And this brings me to a very important thing that I have learned in recent years, namely the fact that we must be open in our learning process. Even if maybe I don't like the trading style of a trader I see on YouTube, I like to see and to understand other traders' views. Therefore, the next important step for me in defining the strategy I currently use was formed on one hand by the intensive backtesting, and on the other hand by defining some conclusions when following various trading channels, from trading with indicators, order blocks, price action, and ICT as well. What I think every trader must do is to find a strategy, a time frame, and the risk management according to his or her trading style. You should not try to copy 101 what other traders do or say, because there is a risk of exposing yourself to a trading style that maybe is not suitable for you, which can lead to maybe overtrading, lack of discipline, and disinterest. For example, I discovered that I don't like swing trading. I find it quite boring for me, so at least for the moment, I stay as an intraday trader. But this does not actually mean that swing trading is not good or profitable. No, I never said that. But in addition to these aspects, each trader must also find what is suitable for his style and for the time he or she has available for trading, because this is an important factor as well. But going back to my story, I told you about the learning process. Now let's talk about the blown accounts and profitability. As I previously mentioned, when we discovered trading, we didn't know about prop firms, but also didn't know about risk management or capital needed to be a full-time trader. So after blowing some small personal accounts and learning some important principles of risk management, I realized that I will not be able to support any kind of life as a full-time trader on a personal account of, let's say, $1,000. So this is how I discovered prop firms and to invest parts of my engineer salary into these challenges accounts from 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐒 in that period. As you can see, the beginning was tragic because it was quite difficult for me to get used to daily drawdown, maximum drawdown allowed, and all the other prop firms rules. For the first time, I managed to become funded by 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐒 almost 2 years ago on an account of 25K, which I actually lost after several profit splits. But after I lost that funded account, I didn't want to give up anymore, because I realized that if I manage once to reach this small percentage of traders who are funded in a prop firm, I can do it a million more times. Later that year, in 2021, I resigned from my job, and since then I am a full-time trader, but actually making consistent profits on a monthly basis, actually every 2 weeks, for more than 1 year with True Forex funds. My initial account with them was a 50K one. You know it from the Trading Battles videos, but in meantime I also successfully completed a 100K challenge. So now I am funded as well with True Forex funds with this 100K account. Also, I am funded by other prop firms as well. You can watch our channel for the profit split videos and for the challenge documenting videos and so on. Regarding this YouTube channel, what I really wanted to emphasize is the fact that I am not here to flex. I am not here to expose any luxury or any other things like that. As you are maybe used to see on other traders' channel, I am here only to share my trading journey as it is. Real, confusing, full of I want to give up periods and so on. Because as I previously mentioned, in my junior trading days, I only saw the positive and the financial parts of trading on YouTube, not the parts where you are desperate because you don't understand anything. After that, you find a trading strategy, but your trading psychology confuses your plans. And of course, I am here to discuss honestly about prop firms, and I will continue to do that because they were the reason why I am currently a 6 figures account trader after 4 years of trading. Overall, this was a summary of my trading journey, a journey in which I still learn every day, in which I have both good trading days and terrible days, but in which I am aware that although some trading days are very stressful, the way of life and the freedom that trading offers me are the main reasons why I must always be a balanced person and accept both wins and losing streaks. Because I still prefer to get angry and maybe to sometimes cry if I lose a few trades in a row, rather than to hate my life in another job that would not give me a balance in my life. But enough of that. Now that I have told you a bit of my story, let me show you some pictures from the vacation that inspired me to make this video.
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.